And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Hushal, and today we're going to talk about something super important for every business and even for individuals who want to grow online: digital marketing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what digital marketing is, its pros and cons, and the key strategies that can actually help you grow. So stick with me till the end because this is going to be really helpful. Have you noticed how almost every business is online these days? That's because of digital marketing. Digital marketing simply means promoting products or services using the internet and digital tools. It could be through websites, apps, online ads, or even social media. In short, it's all about using the online world to reach people and grow your business. So, why do businesses use digital marketing? Let's break it down. The goals are pretty clear: get more direct sales, convert visitors into real customers, keep people coming back, drive more organic traffic from search engines, and reduce bounce rate, meaning people actually stay longer on your website. These things together help any business grow faster online. Okay, here's the exciting part. What makes digital marketing so powerful? Well, it lets you reach people all around the world without spending a huge amount of money. You can measure the results, personalize your message, and be more open with your customers. Plus, it helps build trust, brand visibility, and even improves your sales conversions. That's a win-win for every business. But let's be honest, nothing is perfect, right? Digital marketing also has some downsides. You need proper skills and training, it can take a lot of time, and the competition online is really tough. Plus, complaints or negative feedback spread quickly. And of course, there are privacy and security issues. So, you need to be smart while planning your digital marketing strategy. So, what's inside digital marketing? Let me show you the main areas. It includes several key methods: SEO, which is search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, pay-per-click ads, affiliate marketing, and email marketing. Together, these create a complete digital marketing strategy. Want free traffic from Google without paying for ads? That's where SEO comes in. SEO is all about improving your website so it shows up higher on Google, Bing, or Yahoo search results. The higher you rank, the more people click on your site. It's one of the best long-term strategies to get consistent traffic. You've probably heard the phrase content is king, and it's 100% true. Content marketing means creating and sharing valuable stuff, like blogs, videos, or posts, to attract and engage your audience. When people find your content helpful, they trust you more, and that trust turns into sales. Can you imagine life without social media? Neither can businesses. Social media marketing is using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn to promote your products or services. It helps you connect with new customers, keep your existing customers engaged, and build a strong brand presence online. Need fast results? PPC might be the answer. PPC, or pay-per-click, is when you run ads and only pay when someone clicks on them. It's quick and effective to bring traffic to your website, but of course, it costs money for every click. That's why it's good for short-term campaigns. Here's a cool one. You can actually earn money by selling other people's products. That's affiliate marketing. Companies give affiliates a commission for every sale they bring in. It's a smart way for businesses to grow and for affiliates to earn passive income. Win-win for both sides. Think emails are outdated? Nope, they're still super powerful. Email marketing is sending updates, offers, or newsletters directly to people's inboxes. It's cheap, personal, and one of the best ways to keep your audience engaged. Even today, businesses rely on it a lot for sales and customer loyalty. And that's a wrap, guys. So now you know what digital marketing is, why it's important, and the main methods businesses use to succeed online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below to tell me which digital marketing method you're most interested in, and of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more simple and useful explanations like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.